you doing?
Good. Thank you. So, it is finally here. This is the first, well, not first, it's the second copy of the novel. The first one went to my editor. So this is me seeing it in person for the first time. 10 years in the making. 10 years in the making. So I literally, I had an event today and was like, I hope it comes home before Bible study, and kept hearing screeching noises, assuming it's the UPS truck and it's the school bus. And when I finally realized it was him, he ends up going to my neighbor's house to deliver the box first and then comes to me. And I just waited outside. I have a video of all that. This is it, y'all. And this came out better than I thought it was gonna. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. This is her. This is it. I am about to, oh Jesus. Y'all. I wonder if my mom is home. So I dedicated the book to Jessica and Yvonne. So Jessica and Yvonne were my we went to middle school together. And oh my gosh, this is a real surreal moment right now. So this is not my first book, but this is my first novel. Okay. And I've been working on this novel for almost 10 years. So, I remember when it was a 10-year class reunion, and at Sumter High, and it was at Lake Wateree, and Yvonne and Jessica was like, whatever happened to those books? Because I used to write like literally novels and books when I was in 7th and 8th grade, and we would pass it around and they would read it. Oh my gosh, she is so beautiful. The cover came out a whole lot better than I thought it was. I debated whether or not I wanted. Now, the only thing I see that I know I can fix this, it's like a line back here. And I don't know if that was my cover. Like I had a white space and then realized I didn't cover it. But the back of it is perfect. The heart is perfect. Best friends from the womb, corny but true statement that accurately describes Monica and Donovan's friendship. From playmates, birthday parties, vacations, there are countless pictures of the two and their families. There has always been a glimmer in Donovan's brown eyes for Monica James. When he finally admits to her how he really feels about her, Monica turns him down for the sake of their friendship. However, once they begin attending the same junior high school, Monica wonders if she made the mistake